Gosh.
We gotta head back, man.
I know, we gotta go get those bikes. This mission's just too dangerous. It's getting really dark.
Should have enough footage for the people.
Yeah. I don't know if we caught any glimpse of anything though. Alright. We're gonna have to go. You ready to go?
Hold up, let me get the sling.
Alright, I'm gonna get ready to start my bike up. Alright. Alright, let's get out of here. Don't shift, just stand first. Go. Wait up! Shit, now I gotta get this thing started. Crap. What? What? What happened? Oh shit. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What's the matter? What's happening? What's happening?
Nothing. I'm good. Seriously. I'll catch up later. Come on.
Are you sure? Okay. I gotta go back for him. Crap, the bike stalled. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta go back for him. Vince, are you okay? You okay? Oh no. I'm coming back for you. Oh, shit. There we go. You okay?
It's
Hey,
nice to see you.
Hey.
It's nice to see you.
Yo, what did I say about those pills?
What do you mean? I'm perfectly okay.
You left your gun over there, Sonny.
Eh.
What the hell's wrong with you?
You humans. You're all dead.
Get on the ground. Stay there.
You don't do anything to me.
Shut up.
Go ahead.
Vince, snap out of it.
Where am I?
What do you mean, where are you? What the?
I wanna go home. Take me home.
No, dude, I'm not going near you. You were just trying to kill me.
Take me home. I wanna go. Come on, let's just go. I wanna go home.
What are you talking about? We can't. Why are you like this? What's wrong with you?
Just come on. Let's do this.
Alright, then get on your bike and let's ride then.
Can you take my gun?
We're gonna have to leave it here.
No. I want to get out of here.
Hey. Hey.
What?
Alright, let's go. You'll be okay. Go then. We just gotta go to the end of the long drive, the long road, the dirt road that gets us in here. Alright. Oh shit, I wrecked. You okay? Shit. Pick up the bike. We gotta keep going.
No, let's start, man.
Alright, hang on, let me try to start mine. Alright, hold on. Alright. Shit, I can't get it started, Vince. Hold on. I got it. Come on. Fuck, it didn't go. Hold on. We'll try one more time. Oh, shit. Come on. Bike's done. Shit. We left the gun.
Not happening. It's not happening.
Here.
What?
Take the camera. Here's the flashlight. Okay, let me just try to look at the bike. Good oil in it.
Slosh it around, you'll be able to hear the gas. Yeah, you got plenty of gas.
Got a full tank. Shit. We're gonna have to go on foot for now. We're gonna have to go on foot. What's that noise?
You're all dead.